I'm Varun, and today I'm going to talk about a product that is available in almost all of our homes and we use it on a daily basis. Yes, I'm talking about pickles. We use it with almost all of our meals, especially breakfast. And till date, pickles have been a very store-bought kind of a product and we hardly make it at home. So with this recipe, I'm just trying to show you guys how easy it is to make fresh pickles at home. And since it's made fresh, you can change the flavors. Like I'm gonna do it with some mustard seeds and some curry leaves. And fresher always tastes better. And it's just much healthier than the store-bought product. So let's check out this recipe.